Ito dapat pagod kasama. Hi, welcome to MC Study Channel. Good morning. Go again. Spring now. Hindi pala kita. I always go to 7-Eleven, but now maybe yes or not. Do I need to? Yeah, I have to buy some food, snacks. I don't know what to. Let's choose one. And bread. Something. Where's my favorite? It's gone. The butter pancake. Anyway, nothing here. So just this one. Ice cream. It's go. Ang
お支払い方法をお選びください。現金を入れ終わりましたら、確認の上、OK ボタンを押してください。
Ganyan ang ginagawa ko sa mga coins.
お釣りとレシートをお受け取りください。お取り忘れにご注意ください。
Today is what day today? I don't know. Today is Monday. March 24, 2025. Ayun. Saan ko kaya mailagay itong aking phone? At nang makakuha ng whole body.
Gabi na nang makakita ko ng patungan. Igagala ko muna kayo bago ako pumunta ng bago ako magluto. This is March 27, 2025. Look at the sakura. It's almost blooming.
Gusto ko itong bulaklak na to. So nice. Spring is here. Kala mo snow, no? Pero bulaklak. This is not. Shibuya. Kay Hachiko.
Nawala ng pila, nagkakagulo na. Welcome to my humble house. O, diba may reenactment pag uwi ng bahay. Okay, magluluto na tayo. This is my candle talaga, tsaka yung asin ang umpisa. This is shiitake mushroom.
I don't know what kind of mushroom.
Lulutuin natin as a steak. We need to wash. Then dried it with paper towel.
Tuyuin. At tinatanggal ko siya. Ayokong kainin yan.
And that is actually needs to take it off.
Isa pa. Ow! Muntik na ako dun ah. Diba? Tatlo lang. It just season, pepper, salt, and ano ba yun? Garlic powder.
I'm the only one who will going to eat this 5 or 6. I'm not sure if I can eat it all.
Maraming butter.
Then pan on. Put a lot of butter. I'm scared to my cholesterol. Pwede naman hindi halu-haluin ng ganyan. Naiinip nga lang ako. Kaya, yun.
Okay, start. Parang ka lang nagluluto ng steak. Actually, pwede to sa ano eh. Pwede to sa mga vegetarian. Lagyan ng rosemary. Maganda. Just butter. Kaya ka lang nagluluto ng ano, ng steak.
You can put some rosemary or fresh or dried just for the smell. And garlic juice.
Wala akong fresh na rosemary, so ang rosemary ko ay ano, pampadagdag din niya ng bango.
Eat it with vegetable. Boiled carrots, steamed broccoli, or anything.
Yan, luto na siya. Diyos mio, daming mantika nito. Kailangan ko ng ano, pineapple juice pagkakain. Apple juice.
pangontra para sa cholesterol daw. Thank you so much for watching and I love you all. God bless! Thank you so much for continuous watching.
Is this real or a fake? It is real.
Please subscribe. Ems Lusabia channel.